Hey guys, hello everyone. My name is Ada Digital. So in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how you can earn money on this site called GoShare. GoShare is a site where they help you monetize your WhatsApp. As you are using your WhatsApp, you are going to be getting paid as you are using your WhatsApp. So now I am going to be walking you through on how you can earn on this site. So before we proceed, I'm Ada Digital once again. All we do here is to talk about money making updates. Please, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, please. This is the first video I'm going to be making on this site. I want you to subscribe on this channel so that you'll be getting videos on money making, free money making video. You'll be getting it on this channel. As you do so, God bless you. So now let's proceed to why we are here. So like I said earlier, the name of this site is GoShare. I am going to be dropping the link to register for this site in the video comment section or in the description section of this video. I am going to be dropping the link in the description section of this video. So after the title of this video, you click on more and you see the link to this video. So guys, how can you be earning on this site? Number one thing is you need to have a WhatsApp business. Yes, you need a WhatsApp business. I'm not talking about your normal WhatsApp. You need a WhatsApp business. So, and again, if you have extra WhatsApp, you can use it. Now, if you don't know how to create extra WhatsApp, if you want to create extra WhatsApp, I will drop a video for you on how to do that in this channel. So after this video, I will drop another video for you on how to go about creating multiple WhatsApp accounts. So after you have gotten your WhatsApp business done, all you need to do now is to register. You come to this YouTube channel and click on the link I am going to paste in the description section. You click on the link, then the link will take you to an interface like this. So after it might have taken you to an interface like this, all you need to do now is to link your WhatsApp to this site. Yes, you link your WhatsApp to this site. So how can you do that? Let's click on state now. Okay, let's click on me. Let me see how I can explain to you so you can understand. Okay, now you are seeing that my own is showing offline. Yes, because I disconnect my WhatsApp from this site. So once I connect my WhatsApp to this site, it's going to be showing online. So your own must not be showing offline. Please take note, if your own is showing offline, you are not going to get paid on this site. So that is why I said you should not use your normal WhatsApp. Use a WhatsApp business. Use a WhatsApp business or any other extra WhatsApp you are not really using. Don't use your main WhatsApp. If not, WhatsApp is going to block your account. This site is really paying. They are really paying. My last payment on this site was 5,000 naira, which I earn on this site. I have 3 accounts. This is my 3rd account, which I have withdrawn 9,000 naira so far. You can see it. I've withdrawn 9,000 naira so far. The other WhatsApp I withdrew 3,000. The other one I withdrew 11,000 naira. So guys, this site is really paying. If you know what you're doing, it's really paying. Yes. So let me show you. Oh, sorry. I think the network. Okay. So Guys, you need to link your WhatsApp to this site. So, well, I don't want this video to be too long. I might not be showing you all the process of you linking your WhatsApp to this site. Okay, let me try and show you. Let me click on this place that says offline. Okay, okay, verify you are a woman. Okay, now this is what you are going to be seeing. You are going to be seeing link with QR code. You are going to be seeing link with phone number instead. Click on this place that says link with phone number instead. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to somewhere like this. No, 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 no. Okay, verify you're a woman. I think the network is not stable. Click on okay. You are going to see something like this. Okay, so now I'm going to input my WhatsApp number here. The WhatsApp I want to connect to this site. I'm going to put the number. I'll click on get. Once you click on get, you are going to see the code. It's going to send the code to you. All you need to do is to copy the code and go to that your WhatsApp business and paste it. Okay, all the code will be in capital letter. Okay, now let me go to one of my WhatsApp. Okay, and let me link the code. You click on this place. You click on this place that says link device. You click on link a device. You click on use mobile data. You click on okay. You click on link with phone number instead. Then you put the code here. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, okay, okay. SP A W P T Q and 8P. I don't know why it's telling me this. I think the network is disturbing. Let's go back to the site. Then let's click on. So your own will be showing online. Okay. So if you want to know how to link your WhatsApp to this site, all you need to do is to contact me on +234 8027 800 693. If you want to know more about this site, contact me on +234 8027 800 693. Please don't call me, chat me only. That number is only for chatting, not calling. If you call me, the phone number will not go. Even if it go, nobody will pick it. So just chat me only. Please chat me only. I will drop the number for you in this on the screen. You will see it. That is the WhatsApp number you can use to connect me. Okay, so now this website is monetizing your WhatsApp for you. As you are using your WhatsApp, you are getting paid. Okay, so that is why I said if you want to earn money on this site, if you want to know more on this site, if you want to be earning, and the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira. Yes, 1,000 naira. If you want to be earning on this site like me, please contact me with the number on the screen so that I will take you through on how to be earning on this site. Guys, this site is really paying. They are paying and they will continue paying. It has been long that this site is existing, and since then we have been smiling. So this site is really paying. Okay, so once you come to this home section now, you are going to see you can also invite your friends and earn. Once you invite your friend, you are going to earn 3,800 naira. So if you contact me, I will tell you all about it. So activities, this is it. You are going to click on continuous bonus. This place, once you are online, you will be earning all this money. If you are online for 24 hours, you will earn 48 hours, you will earn 72 hours, you will earn 96 hours, you will earn 120 hours, you earn. So let me go back to this place that says states. You see this place that's showing offline. You must, if you are if you just create your account newly, you must be online for 48 hours. If you are not online for 48 hours, my brothers and sisters, you are not going to earn anything. You are not going to earn shishi. On my other YouTube channel, that is the same thing I told my subscribers. Yes, I have a YouTube channel called Uniqueous Insight. So I'm going to drop the link for you to join that other channel. You will see on the channel I explain everything you need to know about this website, this site. Yes, I drop it there, everything you need to know about this site. So I will drop the link for that WhatsApp in the description, YouTube in the description section of this video. So you can call me Uniqueous Insight Update. You can also call me Ada Digital. So this channel is called Ada Digital, so the other one is called Uniqueous Insight. So guys, so what am I saying? You must be online for 48 hours. If you are not online for 48 hours, you are not going to earn. So if you are online for 48 hours, the WhatsApp you link to that website, you can just go and off it. You can go and remove, you can go and unlink. You see, once you have spent 48 hours, you can go and unlink your WhatsApp from this site. But you will still be earning. Just be online for 48 hours. That's all. So if you want to know more about this site, you need to contact me. I'll drop my WhatsApp number on the link and I will help you do all the registration. I am not charging any money for the registration. Registration is free. I am going to be teaching you free. I am going to be helping you to link your WhatsApp to the site for free. I'm not collecting any dime. Okay, so I think this will be the end of the video. Please do me well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share to families and friends. Thank you.